and when he tries to touch the area where the object was, he can feel a funny sensation around his hand. Thinking he may be sick, Isaac goes to the hospital, but the doctor just says he's dehydrated and that he needs some rest. However, the doctor is confused by the x-rays of Isaac's arm because there's a thin fracture so perfectly straight that shouldn't be possible without a tool, yet Isaac has no scar on his skin. Afterward, Isaac goes to work and Beck calls him out for disappearing without a word, revealing Isaac has been missing for 3 days. Instead of explaining what happened, Isaac decides to show it, so he grabs a glass and concentrates to make it disappear. Unfortunately, Beck isn't impressed and he just grabs the glass because he can still see it. Then Isaac shows Beck the recording of the alien, but Beck isn't sure if believing it's real. Another coworker comes in and brings samples from the soil where the incident happened, but there's no evidence at all of a meteorite. Later, Isaac decides to post the video online and send it to a few scientific magazines. The video immediately goes viral, and in the morning, Isaac wakes up to thousands of comments and calls from people who want to interview him, including a famous talk show. When he checks the comments on the video, he sees many people believe it, but most viewers think it's fake and write horrible things. Soon Isaac appears on TV and shares his story. At first the host asks for details, but soon she shows her true intentions and starts questioning his credibility, making him look like a joke in front of the camera. The interview also goes viral and Isaac is accused of being an attention seeker. There's even a troll who claims to have helped Isaac fake the video. The public reaction really bums him out, but Isaac refuses to give up and begins searching the internet for people who had the same experience as him. One day a person who was also abducted agrees to meet at a restaurant, and while Isaac waits, he starts seeing objects around him floating in the air. His weird experience is suddenly interrupted by Sarah, the person he met online. Isaac shows her the footage and pulls out a bunch of research, showing how aliens have been seen many times throughout history, even by famous scientists. In return, Sarah tells him about an alien abduction in 1979 in Alaska. The victim had been a guy named Carl, who disappeared after sharing his story. Meanwhile, in a secret cabin in the woods, Carl gets excited when he sees his equipment pick up a strange signal.